What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today, I wanted to talk about how to clean underneath your hood. If you have like an engine cover, any plastic, and you don't want to use water, I wanted to share a product that you guys I think is really good by Meguiar's. This is called Mirror Glaze. It's just a heavy duty professional vinyl cleaner that you can use on rubber, vinyl, plastic, really any trim that you have on the inside or the outside. You can use this stuff on. And I think it does a good job at really lifting stuck on dirt or pollen. I have used some of the wipes in the past underneath the hood, and they're really just not meant for lifting a lot of dirt. So if you have anything that's really heavily soiled, try using this stuff. If you use the Trim Restore product from time to time to make your trim look a little bit darker, maybe hit it with this just to clean it off a little bit before you apply that sort of product. I think it does a good job. One more thing I wanted to add is I just released an ebook. If you guys haven't checked it out, I will put a link in the description. 25 essential detailing products for beginners is what I titled it, and it's just a few products I've been talking about recently that I thought would be helpful to know about if you're just getting started as a detailer, or if you're just a car enthusiast. You can check that out, carwashcountry.com/25. That'll take you to it. But really want to thank everybody for the support this year. I'm looking forward to 2020, putting out more content. If you're looking for like a last minute holiday gift idea, if you just need another t-shirt as a detailer, you can't have too many of these. Just made this one. It's just a California sort of car wash scene. You can find it on Amazon. I'll add a link to this one as well. Got it in white too. Amazon Prime. It'll get to your house pretty quick, hopefully. But just wanted to make something for you guys to wear. Really enjoyed all the comments, all the feedback I've been getting. If you have any questions, anything you want to ask me, feel free to leave a comment. Any topics that you want me to cover for 2020. Just really enjoy doing this stuff and hearing from detailers and people that are just interested in washing their cars and keeping everything clean. But until next time, have a great day, and I will see you later.